Good morning, welcome to Sunday Morning Builds. This is set number 40631, the Lord of the Rings, Gandalf the Grey, 185, and Bolrog, 186. This set comes with 348 pieces. This is huge. The last set we did in the previous video only had 184 pieces, so this set is close to double, and that's why there's so much weight in this one. The previous set we did was Gollum and Frodo, a good set, but I'm just interested where the extra pieces are coming from. They'll come into Bolrog here, but I'm really surprised that it's nearly double the number of pieces, which is great for a Brickheadz set to have so many pieces, because often you don't get a piece count that high. So this is what we're going to do. It will be a speed build, as it always is, and then we'll come back and do the review. So really looking forward to get into this. Look at all the detail, and you see all the additional pieces. I wonder if there's something under there. I'm not quite sure if that's see-through to the background, which is a map. Great art on this. Or if there's actually something under there. But interested to see how big Bolrog actually is. Anyway, time to get to the build. Here we have the finished set of number 40631, Gandalf the Grey, number 185, and Bolrog, number 186. This is a fairly incredible set. Unfortunately, the black in these videos don't come out too well, and there's a lot of black in Bolrog here. 348 pieces, and that's nearly double that of other Brickheadz sets, and certainly that of Gollum and Frodo, which was the previous Lord of the Rings set. And that is sort of illustrated in the time that it takes. So a normal double set of Brickheadz would take around the 20 minutes. It could be 18 minutes, it could be 25 minutes, depending on the piece count. But this one, 45 minutes, which is why I split up. I did two lots. I did Gandalf in one take, and then I stopped the video, the time lapse, and then did Bolrog in the other one. So a long build for Brickheadz, but Bolrog is quite an intricate and detailed piece here. It's very large, probably one of the larger Brickheadz that they've done to date. Got moving pieces with the wings. But lots of these 1x1 slope bricks. Lots of these pieces. So that would certainly help get the piece count up, but certainly not to double. There's just a lot of black in this Bolrog piece. Some different techniques, which is always great. It really was. I didn't realize. I'm not sure if I took much notice. No, it doesn't really show it on the box art, but I didn't realize the tail as well, which of course adds to that piece count. The face here, some good techniques used in the face to get that open mouth type type effect, and the eyes are different coloured eyes. Usually we have the black and the white for the eyes, but this one's obviously the yellow and the white. All very, very creative and makes it look fantastic. And then with Gandalf the Grey. What a great looking piece this is. And this is a bit thicker. This is also heavy, but a bit thicker than normal Brickheadz. Not by much, but maybe not thicker, but just denser, if that makes sense. I think there's a little bit more weight with the pieces they've used throughout this. I like how they do the moustache and the beard. I think that's really effective and very, very simple. But this corner piece here, it's not actually a corner if I take off the hat and then take this piece off. See, there's a 1x1 flat in grey, and then also in the it's a beige. And then you have this piece that comes over the top, and it's layered. So you have the cutout bit here, and it basically cuts half of that beige piece and gives it that effect of the hairline down into around the ear. So very, very effective. See if I can get that hat back on. There we go. Just a wonderful looking set. I do like these. And what I like is nearly double the piece count. It's not any more expensive. Brickheadz are a bit like that. They're positioned. You have the price for a single, a price for a double, and I think a triple. And then I think in the case of the Spice Girls have 5 in it. So it doesn't matter what double set you're buying and the piece count, it's going to be priced the same as any other double set as well. So good piece count in this one, but it's also a very good looking set, as you can see. Hopefully that black comes up good in the video. It's one thing I do notice when I'm building. It's always more difficult to build when the bricks black. Maybe that's just my eyesight. But anyway, that's the build for this week. Set number 40631, Gandalf the Grey, which is number 185 in the Brickheadz collection, and Bolrog, which is 186 in the Brickheadz collection. Hope you enjoyed that. Please, if you like this content, like and subscribe, and I'll bring you another video, the last of the Lord of the Rings Brickheadz. Set number 40632, Arwen 187, Aragon 188. That will be next on the build list. So, bye for now.